can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Currently up 4.2% over the last 1 month. Bitcoin is up 104% over the last 1 year. Currently trading above $98,000, even though sentiment in the market is neutral. How high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and coming weeks? We look at news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. Should we continue remaining bullish, or should we expect a big dump to gobbling town? Talk about that and more in this video. But first guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, guys. Over the last 1 month, we've seen sentiment go from extreme greed. Right now, we've seen fear return back to the cryptocurrency market. Prices is still high. Bitcoin still traded above $98,000, but market participants are beginning to feel fear. They are beginning to feel anxious. Prices are not going as fast as they were going up in November. We have seen sentiment go from extreme greed on the 22nd of November 2024. We have seen it dip down to fear, and that's very, very worrying. Prices is still high. Why are market participants scared? Market participants are scared because we have many weak hands right now holding Bitcoin. Bitcoin has gone from as low as $15,000, which was trading in November of 2022. Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $109,000. It took around 2 years, but Bitcoin has done the unthinkable. At all-time highs, where many people come back to buy, at all-time highs is when everybody becomes a genius. But guys, you have to ask yourself this $1 million question. Market participants were buying Bitcoin at $15,000 here, at $20,000 here. What was their mindset when the RSI was down, when Bitcoin was down? They were thinking they would sell it at a high price. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $73,000 in March. RSI was showing Bitcoin was clearly overbought. But what I want you to pay attention to is that when Bitcoin came to set new all-time highs here, the RSI didn't go as far as it went in March of 2024. Now, if you're a market participant that bought Bitcoin at $15,000, what will you be doing to your purchases at $100,000, at $105,000, at $109,000? I think you'll be selling, and that's why we have seen Bitcoin over the last few months just going sideways. Since the 18th of November 2024, when the market was in extreme greed, we have seen Bitcoin basically go sideways since then. Bitcoin has spent the next 84 days going sideways. And if you zoom in, you see that market participants have been shouting, we're going to the moon. Michael Saylor is buying Bitcoin, reserve status, yada, yada, yada. Government is buying. Guys, price action is key. Price action is final. And what's the price telling us? The price is telling us that Bitcoin has gone sideways over the last 84 days. Yes, we can still have one more attempt to go to new all-time highs, but my personal belief is that Bitcoin is gearing up for a big dump to gobbling town. Bitcoin has been pumping over the last 2 years, except we think the bull run will continue forever. I don't primarily believe we're in a bull market. I believe we're just in a retracement rally. We are just in a classic bear market pump to get market participants and deceived. I strongly believe that a big dump is coming in 2025, and that big dump might probably see Bitcoin even dump to as low as $15,000. Right now, Bitcoin trading around $98,000 looks as if it's impossible for us to return back to the $15,000 level. But guys, just one big dump from where we're currently trading back towards like $40,000 can reset everybody's mindset. A big dump like this, which is going to be like a 60% dump for Bitcoin, will see altcoins tanking aggressively because Bitcoin is still trading around $98,000 and we are seeing fear return back to the cryptocurrency market. This is not a good sign. This is just a prophecy of what is to come. We have seen Bitcoin go through fear before. But guys, at the extreme, you want to see Bitcoin go through fear, then sentiment slowly goes to extreme greed, and that's what we saw here. And right now, you're seeing neutral sentiment. What will happen? Slowly, you see fear return back to the cryptocurrency market before we start dumping to gobbling town. But if you look at the news, if you look at what market participants are thinking, you will not believe that a dump to gobbling town is here. Why? MicroStrategy strategies, Michael Saylor strategies back first Bitcoin purchase under a new name. Strategies first fresh 7,633 Bitcoin purchase came days after the firm rebounded from MicroStrategy last week. He has been buying a lot of Bitcoin. According to him, he's having profits. Guys, if you don't sell, you don't have profits, no matter what the balance is saying. But according to MicroStrategy, they have gotten some profits from Bitcoin right now. They have acquired over 32,340 Bitcoin in 2025. That is fucking crazy. Marqueselo has more than 2% of the total holding. You have to ask yourself what will happen when the market starts dumping to Goblin Town. If you're holding the bag, Bitcoin top altcoins are reaping attention from meme coins. We have seen market participants start paying attention to Bitcoin over the last few days because the altcoin market has taken a huge beating while Bitcoin has basically just been going sideways. So people are rotating their profits into Bitcoin. They are rotating their altcoins into Bitcoin. I'm a strong believer that we're still going to see one final pump before the party is over. That one final pump is going to see the altcoin market going crazy. And in that situation, we'll see people then selling their Bitcoin into the altcoin market, shooting those altcoin markets to the moon. Then the market starts dumping to Goblin Town. But that's just a huge story I have. Hopefully, things work out the way I think. Hopefully, the markets keep rallying and altcoins pump to the moon. Bitcoin rallies above $97,000 as institutions and retail traders' appetite shrink. Bitcoin traders are not slamming the buy button, but most of their concerns are connected to macro conditions. Guys, just look at the price charts, zoom in. Let me zoom in on a daily time frame. Bitcoin has basically just been going sideways. So if Marqueselo has been buying, if a lot of market participants have been slamming the buy button in the past few months, who has been selling to them? We've seen the RSI also reduce. Momentum is reducing while price is going sideways. This is classic distribution. And after this kind of pattern is formed, a big dump to Goblin Town ensues. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market currently sits around 61%. It's dumping slowly. We saw Bitcoin dominance shot up to as high as 64% on the 3rd of February 2025 when the market took a big beating. We saw a lot of people running to Bitcoin. That's telling you how market participants are thinking. When Bitcoin dominance is going up, they believe in the strength of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dominance is going down, most market participants are rakes off. Many of them have run to the altcoin market. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is showing more signs that a huge dump to Goblin Town ensues in the coming days and coming weeks. My target for Bitcoin dominance will be around that 52% region. So I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance dumping a further 14% in the coming days and coming weeks. Guys, that dump can be very brutal. It can be very swift. If you're holding Bitcoin, gracias. I don't know why you're doing that. Bitcoin went from $15,000 to as high as $98,000. If you're a speculator or if you're here to make profits, our number one rule is to buy low and sell high. And right now, I believe Bitcoin is at a high price. But if you're a long-term holder, if you're going to hold through all the chaos, if you're going to hold Bitcoin going to zero, it is what it is. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Tell me, are you still buying Bitcoin? How high do you think Bitcoin is going this cycle? My own personal opinion is that Bitcoin has topped and we're getting ready for the final rally before the dump to Goblin Town begins. Do you believe Bitcoin will see $150,000, maybe $200,000 before the dump ensues? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.